mentor of the mentors, and leader of the leaders. Double diamonds going camp. Kanti ji and Lata ji on the stage.
Are you ready? Well, let's go. Freedom. अगर कल जॉब पे नहीं जाना तो क्या होगा? खुशी होगी? कितने लोग डायमंड के लिए तैयार है? सचमुच कितने लोग तैयार है? अभी बता रहे। You got to be excited. Are you excited? Let me hear it, yeah? डायमंड जाना है? Yes. You got to be part of the system. मजा आया? रामू गेट लता टू टॉक टू यू। उसके पहले एक थोड़ा मजाक कर ले। एक अच्छा सा बंदा था, किसी ने कहा कि आप हेल्थ अच्छी रखो तो एक्सरसाइज करना है, तो वो जिम में गया। तो जिम में गए तो इतने सारे मशीन लगे हुए थे, ट्रेडमिल और बाइक और ये और वो कितने सब लगे हुए थे। तो उनको पता नहीं कहाँ से शुरू करने का। तो वो मेन डेस्क के ऊपर जाके पूछता है साहब को कि मुझे लड़कियों को इंप्रेस करना है, कौन सा मशीन यूज करूं? हाँ, कि मुझे लड़कियों को इंप्रेस करना है तो कौन सा मशीन यूज करूं? तो डेस्क के ऊपर एक भाई बैठे थे, उनके बताया ऐसा करो साहब, बाहर जाओ, वहां एटीएम मशीन है वो यूज करो। मगर आपको लड़कियों को इंप्रेस करना तो डायमंड जाना पड़ेगा। तैयार है? हाँ, वो कितना फास्ट टेक्स्ट कर सकते हो उससे लड़कियां इंप्रेस नहीं होंगी। I'm just making a little fun, but I was able to impress on this girl here. Nice, beautiful girl. See how beautiful looks. कि तुम बन ठंड के मत निकलो, चांद समझकर समुंदर समझकर ऊपर आ जाएगा। हाँ? Today she is more excited than myself. She wants to go crown very fast. That's why we are here, looking for a couple of more people who wants to go diamond. Just like आपकी अपलाइन ढूंढ रही है कि किसको डायमंड जाना है, किसको प्लेटिनम जाना है. And hope you volunteer. Billbid has to look for a couple like us, one couple, that's it. But I'm so impressed with this girl. And thank God she's my wife. Even though she was not interested in the business. But one thing, when we got married, her mom gave her good advice, always support your husband. तो कई बार बहुत हस्बैंड लोग आके लता को बात करके आप बात करो ना हमारी वाइफ के साथ. So here is the lovely person, Lata Gala. Here you go.
Thank you, thank you. How many ladies will like appreciation from your husband like this? I know, सबको लगता है कि लेकिन because of this business all this happened. हम लोग ऐसे नहीं थे पहले. कुछ मालूम ही नहीं था जिंदगी में, लेकिन ये बिजनेस ने हमको बहुत बहुत सिखाया है और आपको भी सिखाएंगे. और what a special, I mean the whole afternoon, evening has been just बहुत ही awesome. All the leadership did incredible teaching. We're just so blessed, or proud of each leadership, every one of them, and I can tell you, I mean, also wanted to just congratulate each one of you. आप लोग सब यहाँ बैठे हो, धन्यवाद. आपको बहुत ही congratulation देती हूँ मैं. Yes, absolutely. You are paying the price, but the rewards will be lot more. That is one thing I can tell you. Business is बहुत ही simple है. It is not easy. बहुत ही simple है. लेकिन a lot of time people just don't three things in the beginning. मैंने 3 चीजें सीखी थी right from the beginning. Willingness to work hard, willingness to learn, and willingness to change. Willingness to change, willingness to work hard, and willingness to learn. 3 बात is very, very important. So working is in the beginning, start working. Lot of time result नहीं आएगा, लेकिन keep working, तो आपको, leaders मिल जाएंगे. आपने देखा, मैं और कांति ने जब बिजनेस किया तब मुझे तो बोलने का जरा भी बहुत ही पुअर सेल्फ इमेज था. मुझे तो 2 लोग बात करते तो तीसरा आता तो मैं बहुत ही शाय पर्सन थी. बट बिकॉज ऑफ दिस बिजनेस वी हैव ग्रोन पर्सनली. एक्चुअली जब तक एमरल्ड गई तब तो 5 मिनट भी बात करनी होगी तो बहुत ही डर लगता था सीरियसली लेकिन धीरे 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 कम होता गया. और अभी तो देखती हूँ बहुत टाइम देखना पड़ता है क्योंकि मैं इनका भी टाइम ले सकती हूँ बहुत बार. सो ऐसे हो जाता है. लेकिन सो बिजनेस, the personal growth in this business will be just incredible. But we are just so blessed to have so many great leaders. बहुत लोग को सुना आपने, ये नए डायमंड को सुना, अलका, आलोक एंड भावना उपाध्याय, and of course Ravi Prakash and Manju Shah, new founders diamond. What a special teaching. बहुत ही अच्छी teaching दी, and Sanjay and Saroj Sellar, and अभी देखा आपने सुमित and Tanya Bahadur. So many great leaders. वही था, आपके बिजनेस में कोई आएंगे वो आपसे भी अच्छा बताएंगे, बोलेंगे, and that is such a blessing, and that's what we have. I don't need to do a lot of talking because we have all learned from all these leaders. But of course, we are all blessed with such a great leaders in America. Tirthankar and Suparna Datta, I know we have a lot of team from them. This morning we had, and then we have Kulin and Meena Desai. Absolutely, our relatives also partially now, and then Raj and Sangeeta Sa, Praveen and Madhu Cheda, the first couple that we sponsor, and then unke niche hai Manipal and Renuka Reddy, and unke niche hai Kumar and Anjali Sivaram. Incredible couple. Give a big hand. Yes, give a big hand. Business absolutely again बहुत ही simple है. Quickly just couple of points, detail में नहीं जाऊंगी, ऐसे करूंगी कि शुरू में हम लोग ने क्या किया. We made a business as number 1 priority. Business was number 1 priority. बहुत busy थी लेकिन priority बनाया और everything kind of follow in the back burner. Commitment किया उसके लिए. Second, every Saturday Sunday, क्योंकि Monday to Friday हम बहुत busy थे, job था, लेकिन हम लोग ने Saturday Sunday always long distance group किया, बहुत ही long distance. Number 3 was using the product 100%. उसमें कभी देखा नहीं कि ये महंगा है, वो क्या है, क्या नहीं है. 100% यूज किया. और नंबर 4 ऐसे करते लेकिन लगता था बहुत बार बिजनेस कर रहे हैं तो एक दिन लगा छुट्टी लेंगे. So ऐसा लगेगा कि try to keep one day for family. ऐसे लगे तो, लेकिन मालूम हो जाएगा कि कभी-कभी वो भी नहीं हो जाएगा. So balance करते रहिए. Number 5 was 2 बच्चे के साथ बिजनेस करना जरा भी इजी नहीं था. That was the hardest thing that I did. But ऐसे लगता था स्पेंड नहीं करेंगे टाइम, लेकिन अभी completely different है. इतने टाइम स्पेंड करते हैं और ज़्यादा टाइम ग्रैंड किड्स के साथ करते हो. 10, 15, 20 years down the road आपको कैसी आपको लाइफ चाहिए, आप जो करेंगे अभी उसका रिजल्ट मिलेगा आपको 10-15 years from now. And number 6 was हम लोग ने बहुत मेजर मनी स्पेंडिंग नहीं किया in the beginning. हमारा पूरा वेकेशन, buying the car, buying the house सब होल्ड पे रखा. Completely everything went in the business all the time without looking anything. Completely business में ही just करते रहे, पूरा investment, पूरा time, पूरा money. Number 7, always educated ourselves. We always educated ourselves, keeping with books and CD. That was the most important thing for me. Keeping CD and book that gave me faith and belief, and husband and wife especially working together gave me a lot of, thing, how can I work? So that was very, very important. Number 8 was passing the information to the group. Very, very important. Only not that I know, but I want to make sure that the whole group knows everything about what is going on. And that's, and especially if the group is growing more than even our side group, never be afraid of a growing team. Very very important point. बहुत लोगों को jealousy होती है और अपना downline ही cross line हो जाता है, ऐसा हो जाता है कि बहुत growing है, but just remember that that is part of your team. Very important to keep that harmony and balance. Number 9, keeping accounting and track of cash and carry and all that, tool money and all that. That was my job, and I was always on the top of it, you know. And number 10, taking responsibility, being in charge, you know. So those were, I mean, I can go in lot of detail, but आज कुछ time नहीं है. But आप सीरीज सुनते रहिए, आते रहिए, ये कॉन्फ्रेंस में आप कंटिन्यूसली आते रहेंगे तो आपको मालूम रहेगा कि बिजनेस में क्या करना है, क्या नहीं करना है, you know, and you will keep learning because it's just incredible business. कितना हमको दिया है बिजनेस ने, I mean, you know, money तो बहुत मिले हैं, लेकिन money is not everything. Right now, you know, if you keep doing the work, don't follow the money, but if you keep doing the work, money will follow you. And that is definitely, you know, it's going to happen. But we're just enjoying life with children and grandchildren, and you know, this is a family business for us. हमारे दोनों बच्चे business कर रहे हैं उनकी wife के साथ, you know, they are already getting into the platinum ship. You know, they are very very every weekend, I mean every open meeting, team meeting, हम लोग सब मिलते हैं all the time. So it's just a blessing, absolutely blessing. And I can tell you, I mean, it's a wonderful business. So just don't worry about, don't look back. Just keep working, keep doing it. Bill and Peggy Britt for giving us, you know, people like me and Kanti who come from nowhere to give a special life that we live. And Peggy Britt, just talked to her yesterday. I talk to Peggy Britt very often. तो कल ही बात की, she is doing very very well, and she is looking for a lot of growth in India. So we need to give that to Peggy Britt. So keep working hard. But I just want to absolutely give Peggy Britt, Bill and Peggy Britt a big hand. But I just want to bring this incredible leaders that you know about. I mean, you know, and I mean, all of you know Kanti Gala, but I know that I've been married to him for last 43 years, and I know how hard he works and what this business, that, you know, how much passionate he is about the business. I know about it, you know. So I've been just blessed to marry to you, and we'll go places. Love you.
All right, awesome, very good. All right. You know, हम लोग ने बताया कि बिल बिट की बुक आ रही है. It's called Iron Man Silken Heart, written by Kumar, Shivram Kumar. This is all about Bill Britt. Beautiful book. You saw the video also. Now I want to give you a little hope. How many students here? Students? Yes. I was student when I went to USA, 23-year-old. How many, आप कितने लोगों ने bachelor's किए? Bachelor's degree, right? Bachelor's degree. How about master's degree? I did master's. हाँ. कोई PhD है यहाँ? है सारे कोई? है. बहुत कम होंगे. PhD अभी भी काम कर रहे हैं, संडे को भी. उसके बाद जॉब लिया. आपके पास भी जॉब है? हाथ ऊपर करो. सब लोग के पास? हाँ. है? नहीं है? ये लोग सब फ्री हैं. वेरी गुड. जॉब था? लेट मी सी. जॉब था? यस, नो? नो? घर लिया किसी ने? हैव यू बॉट अ होम? 2 BHK? हाँ, हमारा भी था यूएस में. गाड़ी ली है किसी ने? हाँ, यस, नो? कार? यस. बस वहाँ लाइफ. 1 साल जॉब किया? हाँ. 2 साल किया किसने? 3 साल किया जॉब? यस, नो? यस. 4 साल, 5 साल, 6 साल, 7 साल, 8 साल, 9 साल, 10 साल, 11 साल, 12 साल. तभी हम 12 साल के बाद सोच रहे थे कि इसके बाद अभी क्या होगा. आप सोचते हैं कभी आगे क्या होगा? बस यही होगा और कुछ होगा. That was the cross road for us. मैं सोच रहा था कि इसके बाद क्या, इतना सब किया, इसके बाद यही है. तभी ये बिजनेस साथ में आया. और ऐसे फंक्शन में हम गए, मैं और लता, this many people, and I saw something very special. And मैं और लता ने डिसीजन लिया कि let's do this business for 1 year and go platinum, but do 100%. सब कुछ, उसको हम कहते हैं all in. All in means पहले 10 दिन में, मंथ के 10 दिन में 300 PV हो जाने चाहिए. Are you ready to do it? It's called all in. 50-point customer, all in. Every day listen to CD. One going to work, दूसरा coming back home. All in. जब भी हमने कहा 100% करेंगे, हमारी अपलाइन को बोला हम 100% 1 साल तक करेंगे, उसके बाद देखेंगे अगर हम ये बिजनेस आगे बढ़ाना है कि नहीं. एवरी फंक्शन सब अटेंड किया, जहां भी हो. एवरी ओपन, नेवर मिस, और फुल प्रॉपरली ड्रेस. नो जीन्स, नो टी शर्ट, नो स्नीकर्स, प्रॉपर ड्रेस कोड. इट्स कॉल्ड ऑल इन. आर यू रेडी टू डू इट? या, इट्स कॉल्ड ऑल इन, राइट देयर. ऐसा नहीं एक पैर यहां और एक पैर यहां. ऑल इन. आर यू रेडी? हाँ, डायमंड जाना तो क्या करना पड़ेगा? हाँ, ये सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है. हाउ अबाउट पीपल इन द बैक? हाँ, ऑल इन. ऑल इन. 30 minutes book. All in. Even though book is better to have your book on the chest than in the drawer. कई बार लता हमारी बुक ले सो गए. हाँ, कुछ तो जाएगा अंदर. All in. Counseling regularly with my upline. Regularly. और हमने जो भी अपलाइन को बोला हमने किया. That doesn't mean I got all the results. आपका भी रिजल्ट नहीं होगा. But I was all, what is that? I can hear you. All in. Are you all in? That's it. If you are not all in, I am not sure. All in. And the reason you are all in, because your attitude changes. And attitude is the one. हमारा success जो है is because of the all in. You should develop an attitude is called all in. Attitude means the way you think, the way you see. The way you think, the way you see. Attitude is 100%. And I know कई लोग हंसते होंगे, अरे क्या बकवास हो रहा है. It's just like ऊँट. कई ऊँट बैठेंगे नहीं, कई ऊँट बैठेंगे उठेंगे नहीं. Doesn't really matter. But I'm all in. Yes. Doesn't really matter. सब ऊँट को बैठा भी नहीं सकेंगे और सबको खड़े भी नहीं कर सकेंगे. जिसको जो करना है कर दो. यहाँ भी जिसको जो करना है वो करते रहते हैं. कई लोग समोसा की लाइन में हैं अभी भी. But you are all. हाँ, मंडे को आप प्लान दिखाएंगे और वो सामने वाला बोलेगा ये कुछ नहीं चलेगा. Doesn't really matter, but you are all. That is called attitude. And that is what our success is depends on attitude that develop, because attitude is everything. The way you think, the way you see, the way your heart pumps. जैसे कहते हैं कि you fill up the glass of water half. कई लोग कहते हैं half empty है, कई लोग कहते हैं half full. मगर जो all in है ना, वो लोग क्या करेंगे, ग्लास को लेके पानी ले लें, पिए जाएंगे और बोलेगा आई एम अ प्रॉब्लम सॉल्वर, बिकॉज यू आर ऑल इन. Attitude is more than intelligence. That is what they say. You could be very intelligent, but if your attitude is not right, you're not going to build a big business. Doesn't matter how big the company is, how great the products are. You're not going to build the business because you are all, not all in. All in. Education doesn't mean anything. I'm a PhD. But that knowledge did not help me. I have to come to BWW. And I have to learn the demonstration of the product. That's the only way I can go all in. Special talent. I know some of you good in sport. Maybe you are a bodybuilder. Maybe you are a good singer. Maybe you are a good Kathakali dancer. Doesn't mean anything. If your attitude is not right towards this business, you're not building the business. So talent doesn't do it. Or some of you might be lucky. कई लोग lucky होते हैं. They sponsor 6 people, they are all going platinum. Possible. But you will not get the credit. You have to be all in. Very important. 85% success is because of the right attitude. 15% they say is because of the ability. That's why you see the people who are very, very successful, they don't have a good education, it's okay. They don't have a lot of money. But your attitude is right. So every day you should be working on what? Attitude. Where the attitude come from? The way you think. See, many times, अगर आप अच्छी तरह दिख नहीं सकते तो क्या लेते हैं हम? हाँ? Glasses है कि नहीं? है कि नहीं? किस लोगों के पास है glasses? Yes. अगर आपको सुनाई नहीं देता तो क्या करेंगे? Hearing aid है कि नहीं? कान के लिए 2-3 दांत गिर गए, क्या करेंगे? Implant है कि नहीं? I have a new knee replacement, new. I can walk, dance, everything. Some bone is broken, what can you do? Fix it, right? Some pipe near the heart are blocked. क्या कर सकते हैं हम? हाँ? Stent. Put a stent. है कि नहीं? Nose थोड़ा टेढ़ा है. क्या कर सकते हैं? Plastic surgery. है कि नहीं? Skin नहीं है. You can put a new skin. But for brain, nothing. You know why? ऐसा क्यों है? क्योंकि God gave men a liberty to fix his own brain. You can fix your own brain because there is no equipment. You know, when somebody go to Pagal house, सर्जरी नहीं होती उसकी, उसको काउंसलिंग किया जाता है, उसके दिमाग के साथ बातें की जाती है. There is nothing to fix this. But we have a BWW. If you are all in, it's a auto fixing. Eventually, it will click. But are you all in? That is the thing. See, money. How many students here, right? Not too much, not a lot of money. Unless you have rich parents. You can still make a living. है कि नहीं? But see, अगर आप हर रोज सुबह में चाय के बदले स्ट्रीट क्या मिलता है वो? अल्कोहल. हर रोज पियो तो क्या होगा? आपका लिवर बात करेगा आपसे, है कि नहीं? इट विल शो अप इन योर लिवर. या इफ यू स्मोक every day, pump, eventually your lung will talk to you. Hai ki nahi? I have seen people. I know some of you are doing it. Lung will talk to you after a while. कुछ करोगे उसके लिए, उसी तरह आपको you will do something. If you eat any amount, कभी भी खाया, कुछ भी खाया, eventually your stomach will talk to you. कुछ कर सकोगे. मगर पैसे की बीमारी है ना, no symptom. आपकी जितनी भी इनकम है उसमें आप रह सकते हैं. स्टूडेंट में इनकम ज्यादा नहीं हो, still you can live. So what does that mean? Your attitude should be to dream big. If you don't dream big, that's why you see a lot of people don't succeed. Who wants nice house? Everybody. Who wants cars, nice cars? Who want to go to a good vacation? Who wants a lot of money in the bank? Everybody wants it. Why everybody doesn't have it? Because the way you think. Because you can make a living in any amount. There is no symptom about finance. So unless and until you dream big, you hang out with dreamers. आज कुछ वीडियो देखा आपने? हाँ, उसमें कुछ पसंद आया? Do you really like something? Yeah. Do you really want something from there? कुछ चाहिए उससे? Yes. What does he know that I don't know? What he can do that I cannot do? The way you think. When you see a beautiful house, आप सोचते हैं कभी कि क्यों ये लोग रह रहे हैं हाउस में, not me? What do they know that I don't know? What they have done that I cannot do? If you don't have that feeling, 2 BHK or Borivali fast, Bombay, Pune, Deccan fast like this. Remember अभी recently मैं शादी में गया था किसी की, तो बुफे था, बुफे डिनर, राइट? या वेडिंग्स में बुफे होता है. तो एक 70 some year old आदमी बुफे खा रहा था. वो खा रहा था ऐसे खड़े खड़े, मगर थोड़ा ऐसे हिल रहा था. तो मुझे थोड़ा दया आई. मैं जाके जेंटलमैन को पूछा, साहब आप अच्छी तरह हैं ना? आर यू ओके? आर यू ए प्रॉब्लम? एनीथिंग आई कैन हेल्प यू विद? आपका टेम्परेचर, प्रेशर सब बराबर है ना? बोला हाँ. तो मैं बोला कि आप ऐसे ऐसे खा क्यों रहे हो? तो बोला मैं रिटायर्ड ट्रेन कंडक्टर हूं. वो डेक्कन क्वीन हर रोज पकड़ के if you don't know how to dream big, that is why you see a lot of people have a 2-wheeler. 4-wheeler is better balance. So the way you think. At the end I'll say 3 things. 3 things you can fix it. The way you think. But you have to be all in. क्या बोला? All in. Let me see. Number 1, think with an open mind. You want to be all in, think with the open mind. 9 core steps, you must be all in. All in. Open mind, begin, start thinking. That's why you saw this business. If you had an open mind, you keep open all the time. That means you need to learn more. You don't know everything. Even though I have a PhD, I had an open mind. That's number 1. Number 2, think for yourself. Think for yourself. जैसे सुमित साहब बोल रहे this is the age of technology. You will be bombarded by a lot of things. Instagram and Facebook and Twitter, and they are good. But make sure that they don't change your thinking. Make sure they don't change your thinking. Make sure the TV, the newspaper doesn't change your thinking. Make sure your friends, family, acquaintance who are not on this business, they don't change your thinking. Sure, you take advice from your upline. You know, अगर यहाँ से मैं पुणे ट्रक में गया तो possibility कि I can lost the way है कि नहीं? I can get lost. और कहाँ ट्रक जा सकती है? But if I am on the train, what are my chances getting lost? 0. I might be late. Train could be late, but it will never get lost because it's on the track. BWW is a track. It can put you all, what is that? It can put you all in. That's why many people on the train reach faster to Pune than those who drive sometimes. So think for yourself. And third thing is think constructively. You have to think constructively. There is going to be some situation, some negative. यहाँ से बाहर निकलेंगे तो जैसे वो बोल रहे थे कि lot of problems. There is always something. There will be no balance in life. अभी भी कहाँ balance है? Is that true? We have never had balance. The day you get balance is when God call you. Your body is balanced. एक आदमी यहाँ से उठाया, एक आदमी यहाँ से, you are still straight because you are stiff. That is end of your life. So don't try to get balance. Life is never going to be balanced. You make it balanced. And that is called all in. See, and I'll end with this. Because I was all in, I want to show you something. Because we were all in, me and Lata were all in. Then we got many people like Kumar, like Manipal, like Praveen and Madhu, like Raj and Sangeeta, Kulin and Meena. And people like here, Sumit and Tanya, New Diamonds. One day they decided we want to be all in. When they are all in, let me show you some slides. This is what happens when you are all in. This is, we were in Bali, enjoying life, traveling. This is house because I was all in. This is not 2 BHK. Much bigger than 2 BHK. All in, all in. 4 acres, 10,000 square. This is the whole family. Our kids were 3 and 6 that time, but me and Lata went all in. This is the family today. Both kids are building the business with their family. This is the most expensive car, S63, because I was all in. This is Bali. You can dress the way you want to. Look at that. I'm going to like to have fun. Look very young. Because we are all in. I know what to eat, what not to eat. We work out. This is working out, swimming. And excess is coming. How many fed up with that? This is the back of the house. आगे का देखा अभी ये पीछे का देखो. With swimming pool. Because we were all in. You want to be all in? Now this is vacation. Anguilla, British Virgin Island. This is all in. Look at the picture there. Very coordinated dress code. You want to have fun in life? You want to be what? Let me hear it. What? Let me hear it. Are you ready for? Yes. Anybody ready to go diamond? Are you ready to go diamond? Are you ready to go diamond? If you have to go diamond, what do you have to do? Let me hear it. Let me hear it. Let me hear it. Let's do it. All in. All in. All in. All in. All in. Come on, let's do it. All in. All in. All in. All in. All in. All in. I'm a diamond. I'm a diamond. All in. Done.